Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today, we are going to learn about the ultrasonic sensor with ESP32. Before we begin, don't forget to watch all the previous tutorials through the link provided in the description. Let's get started. Take out both breadboards from the kit. Now, join them like this. Place one breadboard next to the other so that it fits into the groove properly. Now, take out the ESP32 from your kit and place it on the breadboard, right here and here. Like this. Once placed properly, you'll see that it fits well. You also need to fit it the same way. Now, we will use the ultrasonic sensor. But before that, let's understand how it actually works. So here, one side is the transmitter, and the other side is the receiver. The transmitter sends ultrasonic waves, which hit an object and bounce back to the receiver. The sensor then measures the time taken for the waves to return, and from this, it calculates the distance. So suppose it took 0.000166 seconds for the waves to return. To calculate the distance, we use this formula. Distance equals time multiplied by the speed of sound, divided by 2. Now, multiplying the time by the speed of sound and dividing by 2, we get about 0.0283 meters. To convert it to centimeters, we multiply by 100, giving us approximately 2.83 centimeters. So this is how we calculate distance using an ultrasonic sensor. Now, let's do the connection with the ESP32. First, connect one male-to-male jumper wire from the V-in pin of the ESP32 to the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor. Next, connect the GND pin of the ESP32 to the GND pin of the ultrasonic sensor. After that, connect D13 of the ESP32 to the trig pin of the sensor and D12 of the ESP32 to the echo pin. Make sure all the connections are correct. And now, let's insert the USB cable into the ESP32 and connect it to the PC to start the coding part. Before uploading the code, let's understand it one line at a time. I'll explain each part step by step so it's clear how the ultrasonic sensor works with the ESP32. Define trig pin 13, we set trig pin to 13, which is D13 on the ESP32. Define echo pin 12, we set echo pin to 12, which is D12 on the ESP32. Void setup, this is the setup function. It runs once when the board starts. Serial.begin 115200, start serial communication at 115200. This lets us see values on the PC serial monitor. Pin mode trig pin, output, set the trig pin as an output so the board can send the trigger pulse. Pin mode echo pin, input, set the echo pin as an input so the board can read the return pulse. Void loop, this is the loop function, it repeats continuously. Digital write trig pin, low, make sure trig is low to clear any old pulse. Delay microseconds 2, wait for 2 microseconds to stabilize the line. Digital write trig pin, high, this sends a short high signal to the transmitter. It starts sending ultrasonic sound waves. Delay microseconds 10, we keep the signal high for 10 microseconds, this generates the ultrasonic burst from the transmitter. Digital write trig pin, low, now we turn the trig pin low, meaning the pulse has been fully sent. Long duration equals pulse in echo pin, high, here we wait for the echo pin to go high and then low again. This measures how long it takes for the sound wave to leave the transmitter, hit an object, and come back to the receiver. Float distance equals duration multiplied by 0.0343 divided by 2. This calculates the distance by using the time and speed of sound, then dividing by 2 since the wave goes forward and comes back. Serial.print distance, serial.print distance, serial.print ln centimeter. This shows the word distance, then the measured value, and finally cm on the screen. Delay 500, we wait for half a second before repeating. This slows down the readings so they're easy to observe. Now let's upload the code to the ESP32. Just click on the upload button, wait for it to compile, and the code will be transferred to the board. Now let's check the serial monitor. As you can see, when I move the box farther away, the distance value increases. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.